Well, I haven't had a video for a little while, but I'm trying to teach a young friend how to do simple electronics. And I think this is a very simple project that anybody pretty much so can do it with a soldering iron and have a little PCB like one of these. I'm going to take my hand off so you can screenshot this, and that's your schematic. Um, this explains what each of these resistors are. And there's two LEDs, there's two capacitors, 100 microfarad, and then two transistors, 2N2222. And they are the most common transistors. And the whole thing can be run by 5 volts. You don't need a 9 volt. But I put together one with 9 volts, and this is how it works. I'll bring it a little closer to the camera so you can see it a little bit easier. So this is the rate of the speed of the LED is um, if you use this 100 microfarad capacitor. Let me shut this off, put it aside, and I'm going to show you if you change the capacitors to a different value, then you're going to see the LED flashing much faster. Okay, as you can see that. And I changed the value. Let me go ahead and get my magnifying glass on. And let's see, what did I? Uh, let me put my headset back a little bit. There we go. So I can actually see through my glasses. I used a 22 microfarad capacitor instead of 100. And as you can see, it improves the speed of the blinking itself. And then once you build it, you don't have to build it on uh, breadboard like I did over here. But if you do build it on a breadboard like I did, then the only thing you have to do is to transfer the parts onto an APCB like this one. And then when you are done, uh, you're going to get this result right here, except the blinking is going to be faster if you use uh, the, the smaller capacitor. So basically, if you don't have 100, you can go below 100, and it's going to just increase the speed. The other way you can do it is to decrease these two capacitors, these two 22K capacitors, I'm sorry, resistors, two 22K resistors. If you release, reduce them, the speed of the LEDs, the flashing will also happen much faster. And so what I did is I also built one of these contraptions. Let me go ahead and get the 9 volt battery from over here and stick it here and turn it on. And as you can see right now it's blinking at this speed, but I put a potentiometer instead of these two resistors, these two 222K resistors. I put a potentiometer that's in a mid position. It's 10 kilo ohms. And then if you dial it up, you slow down the blinking, as you can see. And if you dial it down, you can go as fast as this, which looks almost like if they are both on at the same time. Uh, Again, there's all kinds of variants of this, and I think having the potentiometer is a little bit more advanced, but it is not very difficult to do. As I said, these two, I just replaced this one potentiometer and hooked up both of the outputs to the same side of the capacitor, because these are the capacitors. And this is the negative side, and this is the negative side. And then you can have a potentiometer controlling the speed of the LEDs. So if you use the 100 microfarad and you use this potentiometer, and hook it up like I just showed you here, uh, then you can control the speed, which is kind of fun to do. Otherwise than that, that's all I wanted to show you in this video. And I hope that you're going to have a great time assembling it. And if you have any questions, please ask me. Have a fantastic day.